Good evening and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Tonight you join us in Bruges, Belgium, and we're here for their Christmas market event. Now that's a canny Christmas tree. Wow. Now, for fans of the film In Bruges, like me, that building there is the church that has the blood of Christ in it. Very famous church. It is just the Church of the Blood of Christ, I think it's called. And yeah, they'll go visit that in the movie.
And that file, do you know what it said to contain? No, what's it said to contain? It said to contain some drops of Jesus Christ's blood. Yeah, that's how this church got its name. Basilica of the Holy Blood. I'm gonna open the queue and touch it, which is what you do. Yeah? Yeah. Come. Do I have to? It's Jesus' f***ing blood, isn't it? Of course you don't have to. Of course you don't f***ing have to.
Guess the dog doesn't like the horse. So here we are, this is the market, and it's once again made famous by the movie In Bruges. That's why he told the Americans they were too fat to climb the stairs.
Well, you lot ain't going up there.
Pardon me? Why?
I mean, it's all windy stairs. I'm not being funny.
What exactly are you trying to say?
These are a bunch of fucking elephants. Fucking elephants.
What's all that about? They're not going up there. Hey, guys, I wouldn't go up there. It's really narrow.
Screw you, mother!
And that is the tower that he jumps from and lands there, and somehow survives to be able to tell him that somebody's coming after him, Harry. But then he dies. Now, can I just say, last year when me and Emma came here, it was spoilt by football hooligans. They were setting fireworks off and smashing things and things like that. And tonight, all I can hear is football chants. Can it happen again? Will their team lose and will they start smashing the town up? Guess we're going to find out. Now, if you want a tour of Bruges on one of these, it's 70 euros. Wow. Christmas market is called Winterglaud. I probably said that wrong, but that's how I'm saying it. That's the way it is today. That's Terry's version. I tell you what, it smells absolutely gorgeous in here. A mixture of burgers and chocolate. Look at that for a pan of food, and it looks nice. Tartiflette Savoy, I don't know what it says. Yep, that's the one. So that's what it is. Don't know how to say it. And that's the next lot getting made now. It looks good, mind. It looks real good. And I know for a fact Emma will be getting one of these because she loves the raclette. Look at this. Nice. Look at this. Now that's some nugget. That'll pull your teeth out. For comparison, there's my hand. Belgian waffle on a stick.
What? On a stick?
The smell of chocolate is lush. As you can see, it gets real busy. But unlike the other markets, this is all in one big circle in the middle of the square. Does that make sense? So I'm getting myself a mulled wine in a special mug. So anyway, yes, we found out what all the noise is. Arsenal, which is a UK team, is playing Bruges. And obviously we're in Bruges. Let's hope there's no trouble, or not too much trouble, because that guy who ran towards the camera actually ran at the side and was having a pee in the bushes. Great. So here we've got focaccia and pizza. Nice. Candied nuts, candy apples. Ooh. I had one of those last year, they're lush. This one hasn't got the best name, Spitburger. But as you can see, the meat is running around on a spit at the back. Oh, look at it in the pan. Amazing finger food.
Chicken, crispy chicken, and then chicken and vegetable noodles. And ham and cheese.
Non, il avait fait un ouais, c'est le café. Après, qu'est-ce qu'il a dit?
Got seafood. And this is what I had last year.
Enjoy.
By this particular character.
Bit of oregano, a bit of chili sauce on there.
So we're at a cheese stall. Unfortunately, I could eat all of this in one sitting, I think. And this one, we've got all the cured meats on. Now mix this one with that one and I'm pretty much in heaven. Unfortunately, it's upside down. Ooh, I love a bit of sausage.
Cheese and ham, please?
Cheese and ham, yes, no problem.
Lots of cheese.
Pero aquí hay más cosas.
So this was a lot that was getting cooked earlier on, or just starting to. It's now ready to be served. And that's how it's getting served up. I tell you what, I loved that potato and bacon thing. Emma wasn't so keen, but I thought it was lush. I need something sweet now, and I'm looking at the sugared strawberries like. Ham sweet, I suppose. For a change, the white's bigger than the brown. Well, if you can hear over the top of the football chants, I'd say to get some grapes as well, because grapes aren't full of sugar anyways, are they? Well, to be honest with you, didn't quite like them. Really, really disappointed. The strawberries were like mush, as if they were like overripe or on the turn. And the grapes, the coating on them was far, far too thick that it almost broke my teeth eating them. So I've decided to get one of those. They're called Kisses. They're like fluffy marshmallow inside, but I've got an avocado flavour. See what I mean? So it's a thin chocolate shell, fluffy marshmallow, avocado flavour, and then there's like a biscuit on the bottom. Well, I guess that'll just about do it from Bruges Christmas Market, Wintercloud. Well and truly stuffed. I am so full with all the food we've ate. But anyhow, I suggest you come have a look at it, because this is one of my favourites. It's got a really nice atmosphere when there's no football on. Yeah, they're away at 9 o'clock anyways. Oh, look at this, look at this. What a background. Yeah, they're away at 9 o'clock anyways, or a little bit early, because that's when the match starts. Then it'll go back to tranquil. Anywho, do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to like, follow, comment, do all that good stuff. See you in the next one. Ooh, Dubai style pistachio chocolate. Now it's time to do your job. I think I want one more stop to make.